What's good, yo? Cosmo here with a special Lather Games edition of Burnish by Stubble Buster for the Lather Games of 2020 Clone Wars. Burnish by Stubble Buster is a dupe or a clone of Azzaro Chrome. The soap is very soft on the firmness spectrum. It's a citrus forward scent with top notes of lemon, neroli, pineapple, rosemary, bergamot, middle notes, cyclamen, coriander, jasmine, oakmoss. The base notes are sandalwood, tonka bean, musk, oakmoss, cedar, Brazilian rosewood, cardamom. Mrs. Cosmo says it's a pleasant scent, but it's not for everyday use. Typically only for particular days of the month. But definitely not holidays, birthdays, bar mitzvahs, date night. We'll be using a Jim Jr. for today's shave. The slickness is near elite level, even though this soap can be purchased for $9.99 at gromatorium.com. When properly lathered, the Stubble Buster Base should resemble sea foam. I'll list the ingredients below for your review so you can see what's going on in there. Residual slickness is top tier. The scent off the soap is mid to mid strong and remains that way throughout the shave. Based on these recommendations, I give it a shave score of 95. For similar performing soaps, I recommend Barrister and Man, Southern Witchcrafts, Summer Break Soaps, Australian Private Reserve, Zingari, Tallow and Steel, Ariana and Evans, few others. Because this is Clone Wars, we're going with a similar dupe or clone, Stirling Green by Stirling. And the matching splash, EDT. Finally, if you don't like the shade score, you're more than welcome to make a shade score of your own.